In this chat with Sarkar Talwar, the coach of the then under 15 team that won the World Cup in 1996, Sarkar Talwar speaks of what he told the boys, the stories of the people who sacrificed their lives in the freedom struggle, and the names being inscribed on the walls of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and what and the chats that he had with the boys. He was humble to say that he did not have any magic wand. He just inspired the boys to perform with his small little talks, and he believed in the team and that they were a committed lot. Listen to this chat with Sarkar Talwar, who is now 72 years old but was sharp as he ever can be. Yes, sir, 29 years ago, that under 15 World Cup, India Pakistan final, Lords. What magic did you do with the boys?
No, I didn't do any magic. It was a great unit, We all together worked very hard for almost 2 years. The boys were there with me in Faridabad, almost 1995 and half of the 96. We all gone through the process. 3 good camps, two months, and we planned the thing. They were all unknown players, not big names, There, and we were underdogs in the championship. No one is taking us seriously, and we were in the group of England, West Indies, India, Canada, Zimbabwe, and 5 teams, and Holland. I don't remember now. So, in the very first match against England on the 6th of August, they scored. There was about 3,000 crowd there in Lansbury ground. We need 11 runs in last over, and last wicket was playing. And this Ishan Ganda, and Raman, he was a fast bowler. So, the fast bowler, the left arm, one of the best pacer, that England has. He was bowling the last over. He just went for he got a, edge and went through this third man for 4 runs. And next ball he took a single, and a third ball he flicked the ball. He went in the first in his life. His first time he hit the sixth. And this 1,500 Indians, they were in the ground, and that was the turning point.
Okay.
That's why I told you all things. That was the turning point of it. The England was very strong. Because they were the host, and our we are all under. It looked like under 15 team. Actually, it was under 16, not under 16. So then I think we are not. Then every match, we have a very tough match against West Indies, but CAF and Sodhi, Ratinder Sodhi, they played brilliantly. It was all teamwork. Everybody contributed, all bowlers. They were stood like a rock.
Okay.
Everything went planned, and we encourage them because they are very young.
Right.
They need a push and something. When we start winning, everybody is supporting us. And then five semi-final we against South Africa. They were Boomram there, Ellen Nam was there. They scored 260 plus runs.
Right.
But we were 5 runs for 2 wickets down. Then I changed our batting order. I sent Pradeep Chawla. He was our wicket keeper. He was batting on 7 down orders. Mecca, you go and slog them. And Spade. He scored 61 runs and demolished.
Okay.
So their bowling style there. And Bhuvan Chandra. He scored some 40 plus run in just 22 balls.
Right.
We won them by 3 overs to spare. A big celebration in Tenbridge.
Right.
So the God is with us, and hard work, planning, and dedication, everything paid, you know. And in final, you know, against Pakistan, lost of the 25,000 crowd. Eastern side all Pakistani 15,000 and western side Indians, you know. They were good people in a pavilion like Sharad Pawar, Chetan Sharma, they were supporting us. But in Pakistan, the full team, you know, as a bench. Senior team, or Javed Mir, everybody. Well, Qadir San also, he was. I think that team, there 6-7 players played for the senior Pakistan team. Shoaib Malik, something, I don't remember the names. There are so many. Oh, yes. Even though, uska captain kya tha?
Hassan Raza.
Hassan Raza, yes. So,
What? No, the Kaif was saying that he was not in the first camp, but you told him to be ready and he will. What was special about Kaif that you didn't want to let him go?
Actually,
Let go of him.
we called the open trial for to select the India team, and there were about 300 throughout the country, you know. Even the player like Gautam Gambhir, Angad Bedi's son.
Yes.
They were all there, you know.
They were also part of the trials.
Yeah, they were all part of the trial. And long process for 4 days. First we eliminated 100, then, you know, finally we took 40s. Somehow his name was not there, you know, when they just like the finalized the team. I was a captain member, being a coach, head coach. So then we started camp. I asked this Bhuman Chandra, they belong to same Kanpur hostel. And Mr. Shukla,
Correct.
he was the head coach there. Anand Shukla, elder brother of the Rakesh Shukla. I told him, yaar, some mountain camper, very chap, small boy, thin. He told me, sir, he is very good. So then I thought we should include him. Then I took a permission from secretary. We called to Mohammed Kaif and Ravi Singh from Bihar, fast ball. In 10 match, he was number 1. He performed very well. We made him a vice captain, and that's paid us.
When you look at India-Pakistan, that particular final, and the later matches, and the senior, and even the last Sunday's Asia Cup India-Pakistan, how much has changed as far as India-Pakistan matches go?
It's always same. Now it's more bitterness. And if two countries have a good relation between them political, then everything goes well. Something happened, you know, in between. Things are always same. Whether it's a junior cricketer, senior cricketers. Now it's look more bitterness and tough, you know.
Right.
I don't know what, but the clash between both countries ultimate. They are. You can see the best of both the team. It's very tough because its emotion is involved, and the prestige of the country is involved. Of course, any India play with any body team, we made in Zimbabwe, whatever, country prestige. But against Pakistan, something, you know, something extra. You cannot afford to lose against some town. But after all, you have to. It's a sports.
Did you say this? Give this to tell the team this in the under 16 final? Did you tell them that at any cost you have to win, or how did you keep them away from the pressure?
I told you I narrate the story of Andaman Nicobar for them. Those people, you know, they've given their life to the country. Nobody knows. You can go there in Andaman, you find their name in a wall. Chatur Upadhyaya, Hinmat Singh. 1,000 people killed there. Nobody. They sacrificed their life because you are just so young to be very proud to be represent your country, and you will be live for world will see you. To give your best. That is a time you prove yourself. And ultimately they were, you know, they were all very committed. Because no big, you know, name and no big, very small agenda to to play for the country
Right.
and achieve the highest level, whether we're going to die or whatever.
Right.
And that is more. When you talk about the nation, फिर your everything you have to.
Right.
But वो जानते नहीं वाली बात. But they are ready to I think they have played up to the best. We have overcome the pressure.
Right.
And us against Pakistan, everybody gave, not this team, everybody gave extra, apart from their normal things. But sports is the one area where something,
Cool, sir. Thank you.